somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. 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 I want you back.
Okay, I forgot to show you guys the black dress that I picked up, but I picked up this tie-dye top, but I really like this. This is a large, I think, and then I picked up one of these. This is like a smaller one, so it fits a lot better, but I love this oversized vibe. I think I need to find like a shorts to go with this, but I like this top.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is my birthday. Hold on, let me straighten y'all up a little bit. Yes guys, it's my birthday today. It's a beautiful day in Jamaica. I'm kidding. The last time you guys saw me, I was leaving Amar's. I didn't even show you guys what I got at Amar's, but you guys will see like the pictures and stuff when I post them on Instagram. But I'm just letting y'all know from now, when you guys see me post content from Amar's, make sure you know support it and all of these good things, so your girl can get some more brand collabs and partnerships. Thank you very much. Anyways, y'all, yeah, so I'm heading to this hairdresser in my scheme to basically redo the front of my hair and basically most of my hair, to be honest. This is like the first time in a long time I'm going to somebody to get my hair done, because if you don't know, I do everything myself when it comes on to my hair, to be honest. So it's been a minute since I've like let somebody do my hair. But hold on, I'm trying to lock the gate, guys. Hold on. Okay, so the reason why I can't do my hair myself is because I got my nails done and they are hella long. I don't know why. I just realized how long I did my nails, but they are like hella long. And I think this is the longest I've ever done my nails, to be honest. But yeah, because they're so long, I can't kano my hair myself anymore. Like, I don't know how hairstylists have nails and do hair. Like, I don't know how they do it, but I can. So yeah, I hope you guys can hear me because it's kind of windy out here. But it's my birthday, y'all, and I'm just vlogging for the rest of the day until I get birthday festivities actually start. Because as I told you separate vlog for like when I'm actually celebrating my birthday. So I'm gonna put all of the like the birthday celebration stuff in one vlog for itself, and then give you guys like a regular weekly vlog of like what I've been up to and stuff. So yeah. I didn't vlog for the whole of my birthday dinner night, but just know that it was fun. I came late. I feel like 2 hours late. I feel like I was very late. Very on brand. But everybody is taking pictures. I'll insert Instagram story videos and pictures so you guys can see everything. I didn't even take a lot of that. I didn't take a lot of Instagram stuff, so either, to be honest, but I feel like I need to take a seated picture, but I don't know where. Yep.
Airdrop, everything will involve you. I did have birthday.
Neglected you guys. Girl, I was very skinny a couple years back. Good times. Good times. Even at Market Me, because Davida posted, like, you saw the picture she did post. When we were like, when we were at Jamaica Moves at Portmore. Oh yeah. I was so skinny. It's like a bitch was skinny. I don't know where you were. Life was good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's you, Shanana. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna eat a pasta. Oh, lick. Salt shot live. Salt shot live. Salt shot live. Ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3. Oh, first shot. How many more to go? 25. First shot. Oh, wait. Hi, my name is Sean. This is my first shot. Hi, my name is Vanessa. This is my first shot. Hi, I'm Shannon. This is my first shot. Hi, my name is Anita. This is my first shot. And you already know. T-6 hours on her first shot. And y'all already know. Okay, let's go back to the kitchen.